Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will show you how to create simple but magical, in my taste, trees just with two MDF boards. Today I have pearl paints and black, pearl blue, yellow, red, violet and purple, and black will be my background because interference colors works best on the shows best on the black background. So I will basically just add a little paint here and then press those two MDF boards together, and suction of the paint and the position of your MDF boards when you will do this will create tree effect. With this technique, less is more. You don't want a lot of base, and of course paints are mixed with pouring medium to make it more fluid. So you just want to basically cover this, and I don't mind if on some places there will not be a lot of black paint and a little bit of this will shine through, because it will add kind of a more 3D effect, or how can I say, optical illusion with the depth, or it's hard to explain, but if you will watch you will know. So yeah, less is more definitely here with this technique. And I really like to do that, that I put some paint on and then blow it in the middle and then press them together. So I just have here just a tiny little bit of pearl white, that it's Olejo pearl medium, with pouring white and pouring medium. So I will start with yellow, and then red, and all interference colors are white while wet, and they do their magic after. Purple, blue, and green. See, it's all white, so we will have to wait for the dried results for the magic to happen. And I will add just a tiny amount of black. Hope that this is not a mistake. So I will blow in the middle here, just like that. Hard blow in the middle. And now I will press those two together. I think that my black was a mistake. We will see. We will do one pair without the black on top, and we will see the difference at the end. Okay, squeeze them together and then slowly. Oh my God, definitely a mistake. There is just too black. So what I will do, I will just add more color just in a stripe, or how can I say. This will definitely work better. And as I said, what is white now, it's not white. So for this one, I didn't go colors totally one over each other. I tried to kind of build them in a way, and we will see if this will make any difference on the final result, you know. So you can definitely see a little bit of green and purple and blue shadow here on the top. So definitely more gradient. I see some blue and yellow here already, you know, because the black background will not be black anymore either. So I'm really curious how this will dry, both of them. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here they are dry. Those are first two that I first do it in the middle and then drizzle some more color. See all these gradients of pearls. They are beautiful, but the second pair is my favorite because it really shows all the pearlescent colors. See, I love it. And after I did those, I just painted some coasters, wooden MDFs, just with the black paint. So this is not mixed with pouring medium, it's just with the brush. And then I added some pearlescent, dipped them. So I did those after. I brush painted my MDF boards and drizzled some pearls on top and squeezed them together, and I really like the effect, so I will definitely try that again. But I would love to have this on top, but kind of the branch effect, or how can I say, it's not, I don't know. So I would, you know, separate them differently to get this effect, but to the branches go to that side, not to that side. So this is how you pull them apart, you know, the way that you pull them apart. So yeah, I like that, really do. So yeah, those are those that are really simple, and you can create some beautiful tree effects with them. So here was obviously more color, less color, and less color here, so you see the difference with all of them, but those are my favorites. So yeah, so thanks for being here, thanks for watching. Have a nice Monday and see you again on Wednesday. Bye.